would like to share your opinions, talking big like somebody's listening. Nobody's listening.
In this video, we will discuss the sort array by parity question and plan out an algorithm we will use to solve it. The question poses the following. Given an integer array nums, move all the even integers at the beginning of the array, followed by all the odd integers. Return any array that satisfies this condition. The solution I'm thinking of is to sort the elements in place and keep track of where the evens currently stop with a variable. We will iterate over the array, and if we hit an even number, we will increment this pointer to the end of the evens. Else, if the number is odd, we will keep going through the list until we find an even number, and swap the even and odd numbers. When this algorithm finishes executing, we will return an array that has all of the even numbers on the left and all of the odd numbers on the right.